Authentic Vietnamese iced coffee recipe, Coffee Sua Da. Chào mừng các bạn. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the wonderful world of Vietnamese coffee with a classic recipe for Coffee Sua Da, also known as Vietnamese iced coffee. This delicious and refreshing drink is a perfect way to experience the unique flavors of Vietnamese coffee culture. So, let's get started. Ingredients. Vietnamese coffee grounds, Robusta beans are commonly used. Sweetened condensed milk. Ice cubes. Equipment. Phin filter, Vietnamese drip filter. Heat-proof glass. Long spoon. Instructions. Step 1. Prepare the phin filter. Place the phin filter on top of your glass. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of Vietnamese coffee grounds into the filter. Step 2. Compact the coffee grounds. Use the built-in press to gently compact the coffee grounds. This ensures a slow and flavorful drip. Step 3. Pour hot water. Boil some water and pour a small amount into the filter to wet the coffee grounds. Wait for about 20 seconds to let the coffee bloom. Step 4. Start brewing. Fill the phin filter to the top with hot water. Allow the coffee to drip slowly into the glass. This process may take around 5 minutes. Step 5. Add sweetened condensed milk. Once the coffee has finished dripping, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk to the glass. Step 6. Mix well. Stir the coffee and condensed milk together until well combined. This creates a rich and creamy base. Step 7. Add ice. Fill the glass with ice cubes to cool down the coffee and create the perfect iced coffee experience. Step 8. Enjoy. Your Vietnamese iced coffee is now ready to be enjoyed. Take a sip and savor the unique blend of bold coffee and sweet, creamy goodness. Coffee Sua Da is not just a drink, it's a cultural experience. Whether you're a coffee enthusiast or new to Vietnamese coffee, this recipe is a great way to enjoy the flavors of Vietnam in the comfort of your own home. Give it a try, and let the aromatic and refreshing taste transport you to the vibrant streets of Hanoi or Saigon. Cam on Ban, thank you, and happy brewing. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.